Well, it was less than a day. Less than a day before the new Steam Deck's prices sold out. You can't you cannot tell me scalpers are not the scum of the earth. And I have to assume it's scalpers because I don't assume many people saw the price of the Steam Deck at this price and said, yup, let's go get it. Let's go buy the Steam Deck at $949. My assumption is scalpers said we could buy this at $949 and then sell it for $1,200. And that would be my guess of how much it goes for on eBay. Let's see how much it's going for on eBay. Maybe I'm incorrect, but alright, so there is first thing I see is one for $1,599. New and sealed. So brand new sealed in the box is $1,600. 15 people are watching this at this moment in time. So, okay. There are some still that are used that look like they're going for around $700-800, which is kind of where it has been, by the way, since it's sold out on eBay, or not on what's it called, on Steam. It has been going for like $700-800. It's kind of in the ballpark range. $739, good price tag for it. But also keep in mind, these are the 512 gigabyte models. So these models are going to be, if we go back here, this model right here. So people are selling the 512 gigabyte models for about $700-800. Now for the 1 terabyte versions, that's where you're probably going to see the stupid price tags. So let's see, 1 terabyte, $1,299, $1,009. Okay, well this one is fake. This is a fake listing. You see that 0? It's fake listing. $1,299 this is legitimate listing. $1,599, $1,000. Okay, $850, which is the 512 gigabyte version. So we're not worried about that. 1 terabyte, $1,150, $1,450 for the 1 terabyte version. $1,399, $1,000, $1,149. Holy crap! $1,300, $1,000, but that's the 512. Yeah, $1,200. Are these actually selling for these prices though? Like, I mean, anyone could ask anything, right? 1 terabyte version just sold today for $900. And this is used, includes 500 gigabyte. Okay, so they gave a 1 terabyte version plus 500 gigabyte micro SD card. That's actually not a bad price to a certain degree. I say to a certain degree because, you know, new it's $949, but you also get an SD card, which is nice. Someone bought it, looks like today here for $850. So for what they're actually selling, people are humanly buying these. For the most part, it looks like, except for this one sold for $1,000. $850. $850 is where they're selling for. But that's as of right now. And that's of 8/21 on May 27th. And you can see the cheapest listing has this at $1,000 when it comes to actual listing prices. This one sold for $915. Looks like $850, $950. So kind of around that price tag of $850 to $950. But this is only going to go up. And again, yeah, a lot of this is scalpers. Now, it's not all scalpers. Don't get me wrong. It's not every single time someone jacks up a price tag, the scalpers are the one doing it. But for the most part, you know, scalpers are hugely to blame, because what ends up happening with scalpers is they buy out all the inventory of these devices and then they'll go ahead and sell it across all the platforms. So sometimes they'll overload eBay, sometimes they go Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, all over. and they just jack up the price $300, which is just, it's annoying. And I do want to go ahead and preface this by saying there are people who buy, like, let's say you buy this, right, and then you sell it, and you sell for more money than it's worth. I don't really have too much of a problem with that. I don't like it, but I don't have too much problem with that. But when you buy like 200 of something at MSRP to sell it for 30-40% markup, that's where I really have a problem. Is when you buy like 200 of an item, 50 of an item. You buy 50 Steam Decks for $949 each, and you sell them back for $1,400. I mean, yeah, you're getting the bag, but, you know, piece of crap, but that's kind of how I look at it. All right, so it looks like price tags, $1,200, $1,250. This is new and sealed. So if you want to get new, okay, this is Japan, though. It does say Japan. It looks like if you want to get it new sealed, you're at least paying $1,300. If you want to get it used, you could probably get it around the new MSRP $950. I mean, right now these people are getting it for cheaper, but I'm saying over the next couple weeks and couple days to couple weeks, probably around $1,000 if you want to get it used, and way more if you want to get it new. And unless they go ahead and stock these immediately, then we're going to see that. It does say Steamdeck OLED may be out of stock intermittently in some regions due to memory and storage shortages. So, I guess we'll have to wait and see, but it is very disappointing that the price tag got jacked up, and it's just like, okay, price tag got jacked up, take that price tag, add $400, and now we're going to sell it. Not by Steam, but by the scalpers. And it's just annoying. I don't know. I've complained enough about scalpers, I guess, but scalpers they just ruin everything, man. They really do. It's just frustrating. So this one is $1,400, which again is funny because I don't know if you guys saw my last video. You probably didn't. I run my whole entire PC now because it's really hot where I live. So I run my whole PC setup off an ROG Ally X. Xbox X. I run my whole entire PC setup off of it. I paid $850 for this thing, and I can run my whole entire PC off of it. I love it. It's awesome. I also love the Steam Deck. I do. I think the Steam Deck's amazing. If I had to compare the two and which one to get, before the $1,300 price tag, I would have probably said the Steam Deck. Steam Deck is, if not the best, handheld device ever made, with the price tag that it was at. Fun times. Peace out, guys.